Team 3. This is Valeria, this is Sofia, this is Camila, and I'm Vania. So we're we're going to talk about our project, and my topic is temperature, which is basically the measure of kinetic energy in particles of an object. The most common measures for this are Celsius, Kelvin, and Fahrenheit. Celsius is the most used in the whole world, and at 0 degrees Celsius is when water freezes, and 100 degrees Celsius is when water boils.
Well, when I want to talk about the quantity of heat. The quantity of heat, or Q, is the amount of heat that is transferred to or from an object. It can be calculated using the equation Q equal to mc and change phases. The Q is the quantity of heat transfer, the m is the mass of the object, the c is the specific heat capacity of the material the object is made of, and the phase change is the result temperature change of an object.
Okay, well, I'm going to talk about phase changes, that it's like a subtopic from the quantity of heat. Quantity of heat, as my partner said, the idea basically, if you see it on a problem, it's that we're going to try to know how much heat do we need in order to reach a certain temperature. And here in phase changes, we are also wanting to know how much heat or how much energy we need to apply, but in order to make an object go through different states of matter. So it can go from solid to liquid, from liquid to gas, from gas to solid. It depends. All of these processes are reversible, except from combustion. That is like also included, and its formula is Q. It's equal to m, that's mass, by LVF or C, that this is the heat of fusion. Basically, it's how much heat we need in order to go through each of these phase changes. This heat of fusion can be positive or negative. It depends on if you're adding energy, then it's going to be positive. If you're taking energy, it's going to be negative. And lastly, Ivan is going to explain how we created the boat.
Well, at the start we need a can, 2 straw, cola loca, 1 candle, a milk box, some scissors, and that's all. Well, at the start we need to cut the can, and we are going to do it in like a rectangle, and then you're gonna place the 2 straws with the cola loca. You're gonna
make it like a boiler.
Like you're going to do like a boiler. We're going to cut the milk box at the middle, and we're gonna put the boiler in there, and we need to put the 2 straws at the part of the bottom. Then we put the candle, and you can, how do you say,
light it up,
and that's how the boat functions.
And basically it functions by suction. Why? Well, not suction, but it's like pressure and other things, because you need to fill these straws, that Val said, with water. So when you put the boat and light up the candle, then the candle is going to make that water start boiling, and then it's going to create a flow of water and what was the other thing? And gas. So the idea is that through that way it's going to be able to move, and it makes the clicks. So we're going to see now the video of how the boat works.
Boat.